Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel where I help busy moms and dads organize their homes in the easiest and most effective way possible. In today's video, I'm going to show you 10 simple ways to organize your home for kids. So let's get started. Tip 1. Use storage bins. Storage bins are a great way to keep toys and other items organized. Tip 2. Create a designated play area. This can be a playroom, a corner of the living room, or even a small space in their bedroom. Tip 3. Use wall organizers. Wall organizers are a great way to keep art supplies, books, and other items off the floor and out of the way. Tip 4. Install hooks. Hooks are an easy and inexpensive way to keep jackets, hats, and bags off the floor. You can install them in the entryway, your child's bedroom, or even in the bathroom. Tip 5. Label everything. Labeling is a simple way to help your kids know where everything goes. You can use labels on storage bins, shelves, and even drawers. This will make it easier for them to put things away on their own and help you keep everything organized. Tip 6. Use drawer dividers. Drawer dividers are a great way to keep clothes, socks, and underwear organized. You can use them in your child's dresser to separate different types of clothing or in the bathroom to keep toiletries and accessories tidy. Tip 7. Create a homework station. Having a designated homework station can help your child focus and stay organized. You can create a simple desk area with a few supplies or go all out with a bookshelf, storage bins, and a comfortable chair. Tip 8. Use a shoe organizer. A hanging shoe organizer is a great way to keep shoes off the floor and organized. You can use it in your child's closet or even in the entryway for easy access. Tip 9. Make use of underbed storage. Underbed storage is a great way to maximize space and keep things organized. You can use underbed storage bins for out-of-season clothing, extra bedding, or even toys. Tip 10. Keep a donation bin handy. Keeping a donation bin handy is a great way to keep your home clutter-free and teach your kids about giving back. You can use a simple box or bin and encourage your child to add items they no longer use or need.